Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best M.2 SSD Screw Kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for a successful M.2 SSD installation. This tiny kit holds the key to securing your expensive SSD, preventing data loss and ensuring optimal performance. Without the right screws, your new drive could rattle loose, leading to potential damage or even complete system failure. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect kit to avoid such issues and ensure a smooth, worry-free upgrade. Number 5. SGTKJSJS M.2 Screw Kit. This kit provides all the necessary components for securely mounting your NVMe SSD. It's perfect for various motherboard types and ensures a stable connection. It is designed to be compatible with ASUS motherboards and other devices using the M.2 interface. The kit ensures a perfect fit for your specific needs. Inside, you'll find 4 hex head screws, 4 flat head screws, 4 transparent washers, and a screwdriver. Everything you need for a professional installation. The kit makes installing your M.2 SSD simple and straightforward. The included screwdriver and components make the process quick and easy. It's ideal for laptop and notebook repair, as well as various electronics and computer applications. It's a great tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This kit provides a secure and stable mount for your M.2 SSD, preventing damage and ensuring optimal performance. It's a reliable solution for your SSD needs. The kit features high-quality materials for durability and long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. What we like. This kit has all the essentials for your M.2 SSD installation. It includes various screw types and even a screwdriver, making it perfect for beginners. If you're on a budget and need a reliable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Does the deed well, came in a set of 4 for everything, washers, screws, and the studs that the M.2 drive rests on. The screws are really good quality. The kit includes everything you need, screws, standoffs, and rubber washers, all of which fit perfectly without any issues. The material of the screws and washers have a nice quality to it and the screws thread smoothly, making installation very quick. Number 4. M.2 SSD Mounting Screws Kit. This kit contains all the necessary screws for mounting your M.2 SSD. It's designed for easy installation on various motherboards. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to securely install your M.2 SSD. It includes screws, standoffs, and even a magnetic screwdriver. This kit is specifically designed for ASUS, Gigabyte, and MSI motherboards. It ensures a perfect and secure fit for your drive. It's not just screws, it includes standoffs for proper spacing and a handy magnetic screwdriver for effortless installation. Everything you need is right here. With 30 pieces, you'll have plenty of screws and standoffs for multiple installations or replacements. It's a great value for your money. These screws are perfect for various applications, from laptops and notebooks to personal computers and DIY projects. They support a wide range of M.2 NVMe SSDs. It's compatible with many popular Samsung SSDs, including the 850 EVO, 860 EVO, 960 EVO, and more. Ensure a perfect fit for your Samsung drive. What we like. This kit boasts compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and SSDs. The magnetic screwdriver is a real game changer, making installation a breeze. If you value convenience and need a kit that works across different brands, this is your best bet. What people say. The PCE NVMe M.2 SSD Mounting Screws Kit has proven to be an indispensable accessory for anyone looking to install an NVMe SSD on ASUS, Gigabyte, Osrock, or MSI motherboards. This comprehensive kit of 30 screws offers convenience, reliability, and peace of mind during the installation process. If you build or upgrade PCs, you definitely need this little kit. I was installing NVMe drives on an MSI motherboard and noticed that the standoff mounts were not present. Luckily I had this kit which has the correct necessary parts one needed. The tiny M.2 NVMe screws are the most difficult thing to find since you only get 1 to 2 with a new motherboard and storage vendors don't include them at all with new NVMe modules. If you lose them, which is easy to do, they are almost impossible to find locally, so these are great to have around if you tinker with building or repairing PCs often. Number 3. M.2 2280 SSD Screw Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a secure installation. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. It supports a wide range of NVMe M.2 2280 SSDs, including popular Samsung models. Ensuring compatibility with your specific drive is simple. Specifically designed for ASUS motherboards, it guarantees a seamless and secure fit. Installation is quick and easy. The kit includes 16 flathead screws and a screwdriver for your convenience. Everything you need is right here. Perfect for laptops, notebooks, and PCs. It's ideal for DIY projects and professional use. The kit makes installing your M.2 NVMe SSD a breeze. No more struggling with loose screws or improper fitting. What we like. It's specifically designed for ASUS motherboards, ensuring a perfect fit. The screws are made of high-quality materials for long-lasting use. If you have an ASUS motherboard and prioritize quality and ease of use, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. This kit comes with all the screws needed to securely mount PCIe NVMe M.2 SSDs. Easy installation. Installing my SSD was straightforward with these screws. They fit perfectly and made the whole process quick and simple. The screws are sturdy and well made. They hold the SSD firmly in place without any wobbling or looseness. This kit is versatile and works with different brands and models of M.2 SSDs, which is convenient if you upgrade or change SSDs in the future. These are small and easy to lose when they come with a SSD stick. I bought these to have just in case and they work great. Had to grab one when I dropped the one that came with my SSD stick. Worth their weight in gold. Number 2. NVMe SSD Screw Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a secure and easy installation of your NVMe SSD. It's perfect for laptops and desktops. Inside, you'll find 6 hex head screws, 6 flat head screws, and a handy screwdriver. Everything is included for a simple installation. We've included both hex head and flat head screws to ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices. You'll always have the right screw for the job. It works with many motherboards from major manufacturers like ASUS, Gigabyte, Ashrock, and MSI. It's designed for easy use in laptops and desktops. The included screwdriver makes installation a breeze. You'll have your SSD securely mounted in minutes. This kit is ideal for electronics repair, computer maintenance, and DIY projects. It's a must-have for any tech enthusiast. What we like. This kit is designed for a universal fit across various motherboards and laptops. The sturdy construction ensures reliable performance. If you need a versatile solution for multiple devices and value durability, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Neither the ASUS Mobo or the Micron NVMe SSD came with hardware to properly install the M.2 memory card, so this kit was essential in being able to install. I used a short standoff as this was a single-sided card and a flathead 2mm screw. Worked great, and I have extra hardware for the second M.2 slot. It is exactly what it says. Bought a new pre-built PC, and an additional NVMe drive. Neither one came with either mounting brackets, or the screws. This has different sizes for any motherboard, and the screwdriver holds the screws magnetically. At least it feels like it does. I needed to mount 3 more M.2 SSDs to my motherboard and this really made the task easier. Number 1. SGTKJSJS M.2 SSD Screw Kit. It is a must-have for anyone upgrading or repairing their laptop or computer. This kit provides everything you need for a secure and reliable installation. It is compatible with a wide range of motherboards, including ASUS, MSI, and Gigabyte. It ensures a perfect fit for your specific device. It is suitable for various applications, from laptops and adapter cards to general electronics and DIY projects. It's a versatile solution for all your screw needs. The kit includes 9 hex head screws, 9 flat head screws, and a screwdriver. Everything you need is conveniently packaged together. Installation is quick and easy, even for beginners. It makes upgrading or repairing your device a simple process. It is made of high-quality materials to ensure durability and reliability. It provides a long-lasting solution for your SSD mounting needs. What we like. With a large number of screws included, this kit is perfect for multiple installations or repairs. It's suitable for various applications, from laptops to PCs. If you need a comprehensive kit for various projects, this one is for you. What people say. This kit comes with 3 sets in 3 sizes. When installing the M.2 device, start with the new M.2 safely in the package it was dispensed to you. It was exactly what I needed. Without those 2 pieces there is not practical way to secure NVMe M.2 in its slot. These were machined to perfection and was an easy install. Oh, and the kit includes 9 variable-sized posts, 9 screws and a cheap little screwdriver. Worked for my Aorus Elite X570 motherboard by Gigabyte. The standoff is equal height, matching the factory standoffs produced by Gigabyte. Was able to install my second M.2 cover and place my 3090 Strix, which has a low-lying cooler, and had no issue with height or clearance with this third-party set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.